Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create the app shortcut on desktop on Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. Method 1, just need to go to search menu and type settings. On left side, just need to select personalization. On right side, select themes and scroll down and select desktop icon settings. And here you can able to see icons guys. If you want any of these icons like this PC, then you just need to select this computer box check mark and select apply and OK. Now this PC icon will appear on the desktop guys. Same way you can do it for any icons you want in here, just like this check marks and click on OK and the icon will be appear on the desktop. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type CMD, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command, just to copy and paste it and press enter. Now this will open up. In search apps, you just need to search for the app you want to create shortcut for. After you search the app, you just need to right click on it, just right click and select create shortcut option and select yes. Now it has been created shortcut on desktop. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.